Welcome back to ClearTask. In this quick video, I am going to show you exactly how to add a credit card to your YouTube account. It is incredibly simple, so let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your phone or computer and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Next, click on your profile picture. If you are on the mobile app, you will usually find this down in the bottom right corner. From your profile menu, look for the option that says Purchases and Memberships and select it. Once you are on that screen, tap on Manage Membership. You will then see an option to Add Credit Card. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, simply enter your card number, fill in your expiration date and security code, and then click Next. And that is it. Your new payment method is now successfully linked to your YouTube account. If this quick guide helped you out today, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.